Hello, my name is Vinay Jaraj Barbu, and today's date is 12th of September 2023, and today's topic is framework. So, collection, in case like talking about, so first of all, there are like some basic concept in the Java like array, string. So, like it has like some drawbacks there, like it has fixed size and some like it is not dynamic. So, for that, drawbacks overcome from that drawbacks, we use advanced version of that like collection. So collection, it is a huge for like inserting the element, manipulating the element, deletion the element, and searching for coach. And it has like special type of framework that you need to follow while applying collection on the element. So it has you can say it is set of like interfaces and the various collections there. And also by using the collection, yeah, it is dynamic and you can increase your memory efficiency and your time complexity by using the collection. So for that reason, we are using the collection. So there are some frameworks which you need to follow, like it has interfaces and classes. So talking about interfaces, like it has set, list, queue, and dequeue. It is the interfaces, and after that, it has special classes where you need to implement them for the specific region. For the specific region means it has some kind of classes drawbacks there. So for overcome those drawbacks, Java introduce like various classes there like array list, vector, linked list, priority queue, hash set, link hash set, and tree set. So that is basically the uh, like uh, classes in the collection. So let us talk about the classes like array list. It is in a dynamic in the nature that you can add element in that by using the special methods like add, add all. So we'll talk later about the methods. And after that, like linked list. So for removing the element or inserting the element to the specific position, then we are using the linked list. And after that, it has like a priority queue has sets. So talking about this set, so set we are using set for the purpose of like if you want the element or respected output in the sorted form, then we are using the set. And after that, we'll talk about the like a hierarchical in the collection framework. So in the like a same sense, it has like three types like list, queue, set. And in the list, it has array list, linked list, vector, and after that stack. And after that, it has queue. So basic type of queue is DQ, and it has subtypes is priority queue and ready queue. And after that, it has set. So it has both types like set and link has set. So that is the basic hierarchy of the collection framework. And after that, we'll talk about little bit method. So it has add all add method to add the specific element in the in our array list or any of them. And after that, it has add all method. So add all method it is used to add the element in the specific position in the collection. And after that, it has contains it is used to check the element are present or not. And after that, it has size. So size it is used to define their length of that collection. And after that, like is empty. So is empty like the in the or collection the elements are present or not. So for that reason we are using the is empty. And after that, it has equals to whether define between the two collection it is equal or not. So that is reason for that reason we are using the equals to, and it has like output in the boolean form. So yeah, that is a concept of collection framework. Thank you.